Alright, so this is a video for students who are having trouble with this site, exploring Trophic Cascades. When you go to the link in the document, it's going to take you to this page, but you have to click this button that says Launch Interactive. When you do that, a new page will open, and then you will have to click on this introduction page. First thing you'll do is read about sea otters and kelp, but most of the things you need to do are going to be under case studies. So when you click on case studies, you get to pick from the tundra, the lake, the jungle, the savanna. When you go to the tundra, it asks you to give a guess on what you think the foxes are going to have an impact on the seabirds. Are they going to make the seabirds increase or decrease? I'm going to say, well, foxes probably eat these birds, so they're going to decrease. And when you get that right, you can continue. Seabirds, will they increase or decrease soil nutrients? Well, they probably poop a lot, so that's going to say we increase soil nutrients. And if we increase the soil and nutrients, we probably have a lot more grass growing, so I hit the plus on that one. Okay, then it gives you two pictures, and like, okay, well, then what's the overall effect of foxes on grass? Well, if foxes eat the seabirds, which normally produce nutrients for the grass to grow, if we don't have as many seabirds, we probably don't have as much nutrients. Then we can check, look, we're so smart. And then you'll have to go back